Your body's defenses are like a personal shield, working tirelessly to keep you healthy. So, building habits that can boost our body's natural defenses is crucial. I know, boosting immunity is easier said than done. But did you know there are simple and science-backed ways to make your immune system even stronger? Let's explore some ways you can naturally boost your immunity step by step. Nourish your body with a balanced diet. The phrase "you are what you eat" is especially true when it comes to your immune health. A diet rich in fruits and vegetables provides the vitamins and minerals your body needs to stay strong. Take vitamin C, for example. It's found in citrus fruits, bell peppers, and even broccoli. This powerhouse nutrient supports your immune cells, helping them fight off illness more effectively. And don't forget probiotics. These friendly bacteria, found in foods like yogurt, can improve your gut health, which plays a huge role in immunity. Add in some vitamin E-rich nuts, like almonds, and omega-3 packed fish like salmon, and you've got a winning combination for your immune system. Engage in regular physical activity. Exercise isn't just for fitness, it is a powerful way to support your immune system. Studies show that moderate and regular exercise can boost circulation and help your immune cells move through your body more efficiently. You can aim for any activities you enjoy. Whether it's brisk walking, cycling, or even dancing. Just 30 to 60 minutes, 5 times a week, can make a big difference. Prioritize quality sleep. Sleep is your body's time to recharge and repair, and it's crucial for a healthy immune system. While you rest, your body produces infection-fighting molecules that prepare you for whatever the next day brings. Adults should aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. A consistent bedtime routine, like limiting screen time before bed, can help you get the quality rest you need. Manage stress effectively. We all experience stress, but when it becomes chronic, it can weaken your immune response. Now, don't start stressing over this, because there are ways to manage stress. Mindfulness meditation and deep breathing exercises have been proven to reduce stress and improve overall well-being. Even taking 10 minutes a day to slow down and focus on your breath can help a lot. Maintain good hygiene practices. Sometimes, the simplest actions are the most powerful. Regular hand washing with soap and water, especially before meals or after being in public places, can protect you from countless germs. Keeping your vaccinations up to date is another essential step to staying healthy and preventing illness. Your immune system works hard for you every day, and it deserves a little help. By nourishing your body, staying active, prioritizing sleep, managing stress, and practicing good hygiene, you can give your natural defenses the boost they need. Remember, small, consistent changes can have a big impact on your health. So, what will be your first step? If you start making small dietary and lifestyle changes today, your natural defenses will start getting stronger. Start small, stay consistent,